Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today tutorial about the Gold Smoky Eye makeup in hooded eyes. Very easy to create, stunning look. This eye makeup goes with any dresses, any event and any party look. So guys, without delay at time, let's begin. I'm going to start with my eyebrow, comb eyebrow upward first, and today I'm using pomade from Silk and flat brush. Then I'm going to fill the sparse area. Then I'm going to keep my eyebrow natural. Next, I'm using concealer from Jasmin. Then I'm going to apply the eyebrow area to look clean and sharp eyebrow. Same concealer I'm going to apply in the eyelid, then blend out properly till the smooth and evenly applied. For blending, I'm using beauty sponge, then I'm going to let it dry the concealer few minutes. Next, apply loose translucent powder from MUA. Today I'm using eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty Nude Medium Obsession. Transition color I'm using light brown color, then apply in the eye crease and eye bone, taking very less amount eyeshadow, then backward to forward to apply. Make sure blend out properly. Second color using dark brown color, then going to apply inner corner, outer corner and the eye crease. Third color, I'm going to use black color from different eyeshadow palette. Then I'm going to apply slightly in the inner corner and outer corner of the eyes to give little bit black and brown smoky effects. And I'm going to leave the middle area. Then diffuse the two colors and blend out till the smooth and make sure there is no harsh lines. gold shimmer using from Kiko Milano water eyeshadow ombre. Then I'm going to apply in the middle of the eyelid. It's stunning, guys, how beautiful it's looking. So same light brown color I'm going to apply lower lash line, then smoke out. Then again I'm using black eyeshadow, just apply corner lower lash line. And apply black eye pencil and black eyeliner and apply fake eyelashes. Then doing rest of the makeup, apply bronzer, blush and lipstick. This is final look, gold smoky eye makeup, easy to create. This eye makeup you can do any event, party, night out, very stunning look. So guys, I hope you love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, share, likes and comment. It will be help to build up my channel so I can bring more interesting and more beauty related video. So guys, I love you all. See you soon. Bye.